In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely share an Excel file without exposing sensitive information by isolating specific sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to send part of a workbook, but need to protect other data that remains private. By the end of this guide, you'll confidently know how to extract just the right information without compromising any important details. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening Excel on your computer. Head over to the File menu situated at the top left corner of the screen. Click on New and select Blank Workbook to get started with a fresh spreadsheet. This workbook is like a clean slate that will eventually house only the specific sheet you want to share. With your blank workbook open, it's time to bring in the particular sheet you want to share. Navigate back to the original Excel file containing all your data. You'll notice tabs at the bottom representing each individual sheet. Find the sheet you wish to isolate and simply click on it to select. Next, we'll separate this chosen sheet from the rest of the workbook. Click and drag the tab downwards towards the Excel window. You should be able to pull it away from the existing workbook, which essentially splits it into a standalone window. Now it's time to integrate this individual sheet into the new workbook. Simply drag the separated tab over to the previously opened blank workbook, hovering over it until it opens, and then release the mouse button. This action inserts just that specific sheet into the new workbook without including any of the data you want to keep private. After the sheet has been successfully transferred, it's crucial to save your new single-sheet workbook. Click once again on File and choose Save As. Decide on a location that's convenient for you, perhaps your desktop or a dedicated folder, and name your file appropriately to indicate what the sheet contains or its purpose. That's it. Your spreadsheet, now reduced to just that one selected sheet, is ready for sharing. You can now send it via email or upload it to a secure cloud service for easy access by your chosen recipient, confident in the knowledge that your sensitive data remains safe and sound in the original file. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to separate and share specific parts of an Excel workbook without revealing everything inside. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.